Hey everyone, and welcome back.
Jane and Alex podcast channel.
Where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Jane.
Hi, Jane. Hi, listeners. Honestly, I'm so excited to be here, especially because I'm a bit hungry today.
Hungry already? Did you skip lunch again, Alex?
Not quite. I grabbed a quick sandwich, but I think just thinking about today's episode is making my stomach rumble.
Laughs. I feel today's topic is delicious and super useful.
Totally agree. We're diving into ordering food at a restaurant, right? That comes in handy everywhere. Restaurants, cafes, you name it.
Exactly, and if you ever travel or even just want to try a new place in your city, knowing how to order politely in English can really help.
So let's break it down step by step, right from walking into the restaurant to paying the bill. But before we dig in, folks, remember to hit subscribe and share this episode.
All right, let's imagine we're heading out for lunch together. We step into a nice restaurant. What's the very first thing that happens?
Usually someone greets you at the door, maybe a host or a waiter. They'll likely ask, "Hello, how many people?"
So simple but important. You can say, "Just one, please," or "A table for two, please." That's perfect if you're with a friend or a date.
Let's practice that. Listeners, say it out loud with us. "A table for two, please."
A table for two, please. Great job. Next, the host will probably say, "This way, please," and you get shown to your table, menus in hand.
Menus are like treasure maps, starters, main dishes, desserts, drinks, and sometimes a list of specials for the day. If you're not sure, you can always ask, "What are today's specials?"
Once you sit down, it's pretty common for your server to ask, "Would you like something to drink?"
I always feel like drinks set the mood. You can answer with, "Yes, I'd like a glass of water, please," or maybe, "I'll have an iced tea." If you're keeping it simple, just water for me, thank you.
Let's have a mini practice. I'll play the waiter and ask, "Would you like something to drink?" Okay, listeners, answer in your own way.
Smiles. I bet we heard everything from water to juice, maybe even a sneaky coffee order.
Laughs. Always someone craving coffee. After drinks, your server might check, "Are you ready to order your food?"
If you're ready, you can say, "Yes, I'm ready." But if you need more time, just a few more minutes, please. It's totally okay to ask for a little extra time.
Now, let's focus on actually ordering. The safest, friendliest phrases are, "I'd like," or "I'll have." For example, "I'd like the chicken sandwich, please."
Both of those sound natural. You can even go for, "Could I have," if you want to be extra polite. "Could I have the soup, please?"
Let's do a quick role play. Alex, you be the waiter, and I'll be the customer.
As waiter, hello, are you ready to order?
Yes, I am. I'd like the chicken sandwich with fries, please.
As waiter, of course. Anything to drink with that?
Yes, I'll have an iced tea, please.
As waiter, excellent, your food will be ready soon.
Something that always pops up for me, asking questions. You might spot a dish you don't recognize.
You can always ask, "What's in this dish?" Or if you're sensitive to spices like me, "Is it spicy?" That one's a lifesaver.
Oh, I totally get you. I like flavor, but too much heat and I'm done for. You can also request small changes like, "Does this come with rice?" Or, "Can I have this without onions?"
Let's practice together. "Can I have this without onions?" And if you're worried about spice, say, "Is it spicy?" These little questions make your dining much more comfortable.
After you order, your food arrives, and the server might say, "Enjoy your meal."
Best part, honestly, it's always nice to say thank you. And if the waiter checks in, "How is everything?" you can say, "It's delicious, thank you."
But sometimes things go wrong. Maybe you get the wrong dish. Don't panic. Just say, "Excuse me, this isn't what I ordered." Or, "Could you please check my order?"
Want to make it a bit more fun? Let's do a full restaurant scene. I'll be the waiter first.
As customer, "A table for two, please."
As waiter, "Here's your menu. Would you like something to drink?"
Yes. "I'd like lemonade, please."
As waiter, "Are you ready to order?"
"I'll have the grilled fish and vegetable soup, please."
As waiter, "Would you like dessert?"
"Yes, chocolate cake, please."
After a delicious meal, it's time for the bill. You can say, "Could I have the bill, please?" Or, "Can I get the check, please?"
And depending where you are, bill and check mean the same thing. In the UK, it's bill. In the US, it's check.
When you're ready to pay, you can ask, "Can I pay by card?" or "Do you take credit cards?" It's always good to double check.
Don't forget about tipping. In the US, 15 to 20% is standard, but in other countries, it might be different or included in your bill already.
Check for service charge included on your receipt. And after you pay, it's nice to say, "Thank you, the food was great."
Before we wrap up, let's quickly review. Join us, listeners. A table for two, please.
Can I get you something to drink?
I'd like a glass of water, please.
Are you ready to order?
I'll have the pasta, please.
Is it spicy?
Could I have the bill, please?
Can I pay by card? Fantastic job, you all sound like pros.
The best way to get confident is to practice try these phrases at a cafe or role play with a friend. Even practicing in the mirror can help a ton.
Honestly, I do that all the time when learning a new language. It really boosts your confidence.
All right, before we say goodbye, a quick reminder: if you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe, like, and share with your friends.
It helps our community grow, and we love seeing your support and comments.
And now, our question of the day. What's your favorite food to order at a restaurant?
Share your answer in the comments. For instance, you might say, "My favorite food is pizza," or "I like to order pasta with cheese."
We can't wait to read what you love. Thanks for tuning in today. Keep practicing, stay safe, and have fun with English.
We'll be back soon with another tasty, fun episode. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye, friends.